Jake, this is carburetorsamore.com, 832-221-4007. Your choke's no good, so I got to replace your plastic choke. It's an extra $35. So, here we go. I haven't done anything to it except check that and then turn it off. So we can see if it runs. Here we go. That pumps. Leaks out of there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you got a dead spot in it, all right. We'll get her fixed. Jake, next time you see it, it'll be running good and looking good and performing fantastic. All right, this is carburetorsamore.com. 832-221-4007.